juicy baked Guajillo chicken wings. These are simply amazing, so delicious, so easy to make. Your eyes are not deceiving you right now. This is a hit in my kitchen and soon to be yours. Let's get started. So to begin, you're gonna obviously start with these peppers right here. Excuse me if I'm mispronouncing it. I'm trying my best here. Guajillo, you get the point. What I'm doing here, I'm just gonna kind of break off the stem and just dump out the seeds. And after I'm done dumping out the seeds, I'm gonna give these a rinse. Then we're gonna get them in a pot of boiling hot water to kind of soften up these peppers because they come dried, okay? So we're just gonna toss them in this pot right here and let it do its thing until they're nice and soft. And once they are, we're gonna take them out and we're gonna throw them in the blender along with a bunch of other ingredients. So in our blender, we're gonna toss in 1 onion, we have a head of garlic, we have a roasted jalapeno for a little bit of heat. You can leave that out if you don't like the spice. Keep in mind the Guajillo peppers are very mild, so you need a little kick. So obviously we got the cilantro, a little bit of thyme, juice of 1 lime. Obviously we got to get those Guajillo peppers in there as well, along with a little splash of the water that we were boiling them in. And we're also going to toss in some salt and pepper and a little bit of olive oil. You want to give this a nice blend, and this right here is your marinade. This is what we're going to toss our chicken wings in and let it soak in all those amazing flavors. So here we have about 2.5 pounds of some chicken wings, and we're gonna toss that delicious marinade over the top and massage it in, making sure it is well coated in this right here. And once it is, you're gonna go ahead and top it off with a little bit of saran wrap. You want to let it marinate. You want the flavors to talk with each other, you know what I mean? So, you know, let it do its thing in the fridge for about at least 2 hours, okay? I know sometimes you might be in a rush. You kind of skip past it a little bit, but you do want to let it sit and really soak in all that goodness. And once it does, you go ahead and preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, and you're gonna transfer these bad boys onto a baking pan, okay? I, for whatever reason, grabbed the smallest pan I could possibly find. Don't ask why. Started transferring over my chicken and realized, yeah, this ain't gonna work. They were looking a little bit too crowded. So whatever, I ended up taking out another pan. So we're 2-panning this recipe right here, okay? So go ahead and making sure they are kind of spread out. You want to let them breathe a little bit. Toss them in your oven uncovered at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for about 20 to 25 minutes. And I did let mine broil on low just for a minute or two, just to get that extra beautiful color over the top. And you are pretty much ready to plate up and bust down, baby. These were so good. And if you want like a wet sauce, take some of that marinade and mix it with a little bit of chicken broth on the stove, let it thicken up, and you have a wonderful like wet sauce for these wings as well. You got to give these a try. Once you do, double back and let me know how'd you love it. Thank you all for watching, and of course, yes, these can go in the air fryer. But yes, thank you guys for watching. We'll see you on the next video. Deuces.